Hey everyone, Morgan here. Having a backup supply of synthetic antibiotics is a good idea if you can get them. I would like to first talk about the fact of while fish antibiotics are similar to the type of antibiotics that humans receive, self-prescribing any synthetic antibiotics is playing a dangerous game. You don't want to take synthetic antibiotics if you don't have to, and you need to know when to actually take antibiotics and for how long. Even broad-spectrum antibiotics work differently to target different kinds of infections. Matching the right antibiotic to the right illness is crucial. Each drug comes with its own side effects, so take at your own risk. In saying all of that, you're most likely already consuming natural antibiotics and don't even know it. So here are 8 natural alternatives to antibiotics. First one's cranberries. If you have a bladder infection, consume cranberries to clear the bacteria quickly. Cranberry juice is preferred, but straight cranberries will do as well. Consuming cranberries on a fairly regular basis will help to keep you healthy. Tea tree. Tea tree essential oil can be used to treat topical fungal infections. It can be applied directly to the skin, but do so sparingly as it can dry out the skin. Artemisia. Artemisia works through the bloodstream to administer health and strength to bodily cells. Its active ingredient, artemisinin, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, sorry, works against strains of malaria, liver disease, cancer, MRSA, and epilepsy. There are several different family members, including sagebrush, mugwort, tarragon, wormwood, and sagewort. Did you know that absinthe is made from Artemisia? So drink up. Oregano. Oregano's most active ingredient, carvacol, has been shown to be stronger than the most powerful synthetic antibiotics. Oregano is a broad-use antibiotic. It will destroy any bacteria that approaches. Make a nice cup of tea with oregano by using my recipe that is down below in the description. The next one's going to be mint. Mint offers a wide variety of antibacterial benefits. The mint family consists of thyme, sage, rosemary, lavender, basil, peppermint, and spearmint. Create a tea with any mixture of the above herbs. Garlic. Garlic is known for its antibacterial abilities. It helps reduce inflammation and reduce risk of hypertension and stroke. Pile on that garlic on everything that you make. Vitamin C. Foods rich in vitamin C have been proven to contain antibacterial properties. Fruits such as strawberries, lemons, limes, pineapples, melons, and oranges are all packed with vitamin C. Vegetables such as broccoli, tomatoes, spinach, kale, and cabbage are also great vitamin C-rich foods. Horseradish. Some bacteria can be transmitted through the food that we eat. When you use horseradish with the food you eat, it kills bacteria before it even enters the body. Many of the above items should be consumed every single day in order to maintain maximum health. You may not need to use all of these all the time, such as the case with the tea tree essential oil. However, you can eat some garlic broccoli with mint tea on the side, and you'll be maintaining good health. Just like with anything else, take with caution and do your due diligence when it comes to researching what's best for you and your family, especially when it comes to alternatives, naturals, all these types of things. But these are things that are pretty common in foods, everyday diets, these kinds of things. So these aren't like super weird, abnormal things that, would cause side effects unless you happen to be allergic to any of these things. Now, I also have a blog post on my website about 8 natural antiviral alternatives if you want to take a look at that. And when it comes to the tea that I drink to stave off illness, like whenever I'm kind of feeling under the weather, I take this super tea. And I have the exact recipe down below again in a blog post. If you want to take a look at that, all links are down below in the description. It's my super tea recipe with oregano, mint, lemon, ginger, honey. Add it all to warm water. delicious, and it honestly, truly makes me feel better. I am a big skeptic when it comes to this kind of stuff, but honestly, truly, it does make me feel better, and I drink it often. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that this was informative, and please do check out the links down below for more information. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.